Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert small letter to capital letter in your Google Sheets. So let's go quick into the process. So open your Google Sheets and I have this in my windows. I have prepared this table for you for a demonstration. Then here I have prepared this text for the names, the name of the person or individuals, a sample name for an individual. And I want to, or we are going to transform or convert this small letter into capital letter. So how can we do that? First is you just need to select the whole column like that. And then here you just need to look at the ribbon at the top. And under it, you'll find this font, this one. Click on this drop down arrow and you'll find more fonts. So we are going to convert this letter into a capital letter by using the font style. Click on more fonts and then here for the fonts simply type Bebas. It's Bebas. So this is the font size that will turn all your small letter into capital letter. So once you search for Bebas, this will appear. Click on that and simply click on OK, and that's it. You have just converted your small letter into capital letter on your Google Sheets. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.